Latika and welcome to a new video. I hope all of you are doing very well. I'm very excited for today's video because it's on a topic that you guys have been requesting since a long time. I'm basically going to take you through my entire recent hair care and styling routine because it has helped me combat an issue which I have been facing since a while now, which is hair fall and damage. So you guys are going to get a sneak peek into the entire journey and how I have reached like this hair which honestly are healthy, are happy. Now I think hair fall for me, like जैसे सबके साथ होता है, that it started with a few strands of hair falling here and there, and because my hair are voluminous in general like पहले से, इसलिए I always ignored it, but gradually I think it got very serious and I gradually went on to see how my hair is becoming damaged and thinning out as well. Also because of my work I have to like regularly style them and apply lots and lots of heat, तो उसका damage मुझे gradually देखने को मिला. And at the end of the day I used to see myself having like a bad hair day and I would just end up tying my hair into like a bun, or where I had long hair into like a braid. So gradually I decided to change up my routine. I decided to amp up my hair care routine and I did a little research as well. At the end of the day, after honestly lots of research at this point, it all came down to the right products and the right care and what your hair basically needs. So this is when I came across the Dabur Vatika Neeli Bringa 21 hair growth oil, and instantly my trust in Dabur made me want to try this product, and this was that first step in the direction of having healthier hair. This oil is made up of the world famous Telpak Vidhi Ayurvedic method that is many centuries old. 14 herbs are treated in this method for 21 hours to bring out the goodness and effectiveness of each element. The herbs in this oil include Neeli Bringraj, Draksha, Yashti Madhu along with Amla, aloe vera, curry leaves and coconut. Another thing about this oil is that it's clinically proven to grow new hair in 2 months, and at the same time it controls damage, reduces the hair thinning and damage as well. I've been using this for over 2 months now. Basically I use it before every single hair wash and I think you and I can both clearly see the difference, and the claims of it having 4x less hair fall, 3x thicker hair and 3x faster hair growth have all come true. All you need is a little bit of patience and you will see the results for yourself. Okay, coming to the hair wash routine in itself, because honestly it might at first feel कि यार ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा steps है या थोड़ा सा cumbersome है ये. मतलब this entire routine is something that I have not just developed in one day, but I've experimented, tried different things, and this is like what best works for me. Now hair wash me to keep in mind is that I have dry and frizzy hair, and of course I have faced a lot of hair damage and hair fall as well. So my hair wash basically becomes a 3-step routine. Now the first step is obviously shampooing. Now shampooing me, basically a lot of people apparently don't notice that you're supposed to keep the shampoo restricted just to your roots, right? Because shampoo का main purpose होता है to clean out your hair and not nourish it, which is usually what the conditioner does, right? So even when it comes to the frequency of my hair wash, जब ऐसा होता है कि hair बहुत ज़्यादा गंदे होते हैं या फिर किसी ऐसे environment में होते हैं जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा dirt होती है, then I do the shampoo more often and accordingly कि hair पे कितना ज़्यादा dirt है. And not only that, but sometimes जब मैं trip से आती हूँ and my hair is like really dirty, I even go with a double shampoo. Even most hair salons that you go to, right, वो shampoo step को 2 बार करते हैं because the aim is to get all of the dirt out of your scalp and basically mid-length तक, यहाँ तक. So after quickly washing that away comes the next step, which is an additional step I've incorporated in my hair wash routine. So this is when I basically go in with a nice hair mask. Now hair mask I obviously apply from mid-length to the roots and I leave it on for like as long as possible. So जिस दिन भी I think like all girls जब मेरा hair wash वाला day होता है उस दिन I keep something like a body scrub in between or a shaving routine if I have one in between, ताकि वो mask basically मेरे hair पे लगे रहे for as long as possible. Minimum I would say give it 10-15 minutes for the mask to show its effectiveness. Of course see कौन सा type का mask use कर रहे हो आप, because कुछ type के mask सिर्फ pre wash के लिए होते हैं या post wash के लिए होते हैं, so keep that in mind. And the final and third step of my hair wash routine is basically conditioner. So while masking is more for just nourishment ताकि सारे nutrients my hair just soaks in, conditioner I feel is more of like the exterior part of my hair, जो थोड़ा सा frizz को control कर देता है. It just makes sure everything is nice and hydrated. So again conditioner I mainly concentrate from my mid-lengths to my roots, and I would say be generous with your conditioner, especially if you have hair like me. Again I would say leave it on for as long as possible. If you can find things to do in the shower leaving the conditioner on, then just do them. Otherwise at least वही 5 to 10 minutes तो उसको रखो कम से कम, and then wash it. Now pro tips here that for shampoo you can use like lukewarm water because that is required to remove all the impurities. But जब conditioner और masking वाला step आता है, then I would suggest जितना भी cold water you can bear, go with that, because the idea is for it to obviously have all the right nutrients, but at the same time to control the dryness, the frizziness, basically the looks of it as well. And then I just leave my hair out to naturally dry. Honestly, जितना heat damage कम कर सकते हो करो. In my case, because of my work, I have to use straightener and curler and ये सब वो सब, which we'll come to in a second. But I always avoid blow drying. Like I let my hair naturally dry. So honestly, it takes a good 2 to 3 hours depending on the weather for my hair to completely dry. बीच में now what I go ahead and do is that I basically apply a serum. So एक तो when I'm out of the shower, when all the excess water has basically dripped off, तब मैं एक hair serum डाल देती हूँ ताकि frizz control हो जाए. And then I let it naturally dry for a while, and then again towards the end I would say when my hair is about 80% dry, then also I go in with the serum. Now this is an additional step, but basically जब मेरे को लगता है कि यार hair बहुत ज़्यादा jumbled up है या फिर basically बहुत ज़्यादा damaged है, then after applying the shampoo I go in with a wide comb tooth as possible and I just gently drag it through my hair. So if you notice, I am not trying to untie the knots or anything. There is no need to apply force to break the knots. Basically hair section out हो जाते हैं and shampoo evenly apply भी हो जाता है इस step से. Okay, so this is what my natural hair look like. They are basically curly, wavy at the same time. Some parts of it are straight as well. But now comes the fun part, which is the hairstyling routine. Now this entire styling portion obviously is your choice depending upon आपको वो hair को heat देना है कि नहीं देना है. But I basically again start with gradually sectioning my hair very neatly. Like जब भी आप heat कर रहे हो, the idea is to evenly apply it ताकि your entire hair looks cohesive, looks very well put together, because that's the whole point of styling the hair. So I usually go in with like a side parting. Honestly, straightening के time I can even go in with a center parting, because straightening जो मैं पहले करती हूँ उसका entire purpose is that the heat is evenly applied throughout. That entire phase is basically controlled. Now through the video I just want you to see the amount of hair that I pick up, because इससे कम ज़्यादा does not make sense. I think if you pick up less than this, then it will take you a lot of time to do your hair, and इससे ज़्यादा it's not very well effective. And I would recommend heat setting आप रखो according to the volume of your hair. So I just take these sections, and first pass of straightener करने के बाद I also take a finer tooth comb and then उसको साथ साथ में straightener के चलाती हूँ, so that जो भी heat apply हो रही है वो एक साथ apply हो रही है. And this method basically ensures कि एक भी single छोटी सी knot भी ना रह जाए in my hair. Now obviously this process goes on for a while. I gradually take sections. Now usually in the background I put like a show or something, because अगर मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगी साथ में ना तो I will rush the process. But that's the key, you literally cannot rush the styling process because heat को जितना टाइम लगेगा वो लगेगा. So a pro tip here is that कि जब तक आपको वो steam या फिर वो दिख रहा होता है तब तक I keep straightening, because that is all the water vapor coming out of your hair and all the oils coming out. And once I stop seeing that steam, that is when I stop and I know कि अच्छा ये वाला strand of hair हो चुका है. Process goes on. You can do this however you like. For me it almost takes 30 to 40 minutes. So इसीलिए I do conveniently. Now at the end of this step, again with one section I go in with the serum, right? Serum is supposed to be used in a very balanced way depending upon what your hair type is. अगर आप excess में use करोगे तो obviously unnecessary oils जो उसके होंगे वो रह जाएंगे, right? So only when your hair needs it, then you should go and apply it. In fact, I let my hair cool down for a bit after the straightening and then see कि कितना serum लगाना है. Now of course you can stop here at any point of time. In fact, जिस दिन मेरे पास curl करने का time नहीं होता है उस दिन मैं straightener के end में ही hair को थोड़ा turn कर देती हूँ ताकि natural wave आ जाए. But the day I want to go all out comes the next step where I sit and curl my hair. Now when it comes to curling my hair, I do it in the exact partition जिसमें मुझे finally styled hair चाहिए होंगे. Because the side parting चाहिए थी तो मैंने उसी से start किया. And very simple is that I divide it into half and then I just curl away from my face. Now my hair strand, I have figured this out थोड़ा experiment करके कि the heat needs to stay on it for about 10 to 15 seconds so that एक perfect balance आ जाए. The catch here is that I don't curl it एकदम ऊपर से ताकि थोड़ा natural waves पसंद है मेरे को. So I basically start it mid way, and then gradually thoda I keep on taking it down a little bit so that your hair becomes nice. Leave the hair on the curler for 10 to 15 seconds now, and then just ekdam se drop it. Of course this can be a little tiring process, so again I'm repeating myself, take my time, put on a show, put on something in the background, because the end result is personally worth it for me. And you are seeing that right here. This is my fully styled hair and I am loving it. I think hair can instantly make or break a look. And I think that's about it for this video. If you have any questions, any details that I may have missed out, feel free to ask me that in the comment section below. For now guys, I hope you enjoy this video. The link to the Neele Bringer 21 hair growth oil will be down in the description box. And with this guys, this is Latika signing off, and I will see you very soon with another video. Bye.